All right, so what is GruFlu? Well, GruFlu is our latest software that will allow you to easily become a group influencer. So if you're not already using Facebook groups to find your ideal customer avatar and turn them into paying clients, you're missing out and you should. I actually have a full free training that will teach you how to do that. And how GruFlu will help you is what GruFlu will do is allow you to go into any Facebook group and quickly find the top influencers in that group and also find the most influential posts. Well, how will this help you? One, you can easily find those top influencers and you can add them to your network. You can become friends with them and add them to your network. And what this will do is it will cause more of your customer avatars to want to also connect with you because they'll see that you're connected with people who are influencing them, so you must also be influential. So they'll want to actually connect with you, which means they can now consume your content, they can now get into your organic marketing, and you can now leverage that to turn them into paying clients. The next thing GruFlu is going to do for you is to allow you to easily and quickly find the most influential and most engaged on posts inside that group. Once you identify the posts that are the most valuable and that your ideal customer avatar is engaging on the most, you can study that content, you can reverse engineer that content, and you yourself can begin to create content that you already know your ideal customer avatar is dying to fucking engage with. They're dying to react on it and comment on it and have conversations, so that now you become the influencer in their eyes. Hopefully you understand that every time you post in a group and someone likes your post and someone comments on your post and you have conversations with them, you get closer and closer to getting them to convert into a paying customer. So if you're really wanting to leverage Facebook groups to actually make more money and get more customers who are buying your products and services, then you definitely want to get GruFlu right now, because it's going to help you do exactly that. It is going to help you identify the top influencers in the group and identify the top influential posts so that you can connect with the influencers and you can model your own content and create your own content like that, so that you yourself can start making more money. So if you want to make more money, then go ahead and sign up for GruFlu right now.